Meta has just made one of its biggest bets on India's fintech ecosystem. The tech giant is investing $900 million in fintech startup Cred, and that's only part of the story. Cred founder Kunal Shah is also set to become the global head of WhatsApp, succeeding Will Cathcart after 7 years in the role. Together, the two moves reveal something bigger. Meta isn't just investing in a company, it's doubling down on India's digital payments future. Meta will acquire a minority 20% stake in Cred, valuing the company at $4.5 billion. The investment is part of Cred's Series H funding round and includes both fresh capital and secondary share purchases. It could also be Cred's final private funding round before a potential IPO. But why Cred? After all, Cred isn't India's biggest fintech company. It doesn't dominate the UPI market. Yet it has built something many rivals haven't. One of India's most affluent digital user bases. When Kunal Shah launched Cred in 2018, it started as a platform rewarding users for paying their credit card bills on time. Today, it offers lending, UPI payments, insurance, wealth products, and other financial services. The platform has around 17 million monthly active users and processes more than 40% of India's credit card bill payments. But the real attraction isn't just scale, it's the customer base. While many fintech firms chased growth at any cost, Cred focused on users with strong credit profiles and high spending power. Its audience may be smaller, but it is exactly the kind of audience banks, brands, and financial companies want to reach. Meta already reaches hundreds of millions of Indians through WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. It knows what people watch, like, and share. What it doesn't know nearly as well is how they spend. And that's where Cred becomes valuable. The deal gives Meta deeper exposure to India's fintech ecosystem and access to one of the country's most attractive consumer segments. It could also strengthen Meta's ambitions in digital payments. Despite having around 500 million users in India, WhatsApp Pay has struggled to gain significant market share since entering the UPI market in 2020. As of May 26, it ranked only 9th in India's UPI ecosystem. The second part of Meta's bet is Kunal Shah himself. He has already built two successful consumer internet businesses, Freecharge and Cred. Now, Meta appears to be betting that his experience in payments, consumer technology, and regulation can help shape WhatsApp's next phase of growth, particularly in a market as complex and competitive as India. Cred is already preparing for the future. Miten Sampath, who has led strategy and finance at Cred since 2020, will become interim CEO with immediate effect. For Meta, this is more than a fintech investment. It's a strategic bet on payments, commerce, and the future of digital finance. And India sits right at the center of that strategy. Follow Business Standard for more such stories.